Hi everyone, if you guys are interested in knowing my thoughts on the Luster's S-Curl Activator along with their gel, then stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I did just finish washing and conditioning my hair. So I said, since I'm going to be using Luster's styling products, why not use their shampoo and conditioner? So if you guys aren't familiar, Luster's Pink has a shampoo and they also have a conditioner. They also have a twisting cream. They also have a gel. They have like the whole nine when it comes to this collection. If you're interested in seeing my thoughts on these products, I will put the video down below in the description box if you're interested. So now to the good stuff. I will be reviewing the Luster's S-Curl No Drip Curl Activator on my hair. I'm very eager to see how this is going to turn out. I watched a lot of other YouTube videos, and a lot of them seem to have paired the activator with either Eco Styler or Extreme Wetline. So I was like, you know what? I don't really want to style my hair with it. Do they have a gel? Lo and behold, they have a gel. I was very shocked to find out that they do have a styling gel. It is it's on the thicker side. It's kind of, yeah, it's on the thicker side. So I feel like this might do a little something for this type for hair. So it smells like the activator. It's not strong. So anyways, let's just get into this video. Okay, so I've divided my hair into 4 sections, and so now I'm just going to take a smaller section of the 4 and I'm going to apply the activator. Okay, first and foremost, you do not want to spray a lot of this stuff because the scent is strong. I feel like it smells like it doesn't have a bad scent. It's not what I was expecting. It smells, I don't know. I can't pinpoint it. It doesn't smell bad though. It is kind of strong, so don't spray a lot. Don't spray a lot. I'm gonna let it sit first for a little while. I'm gonna spray this all over my hair. I'm gonna put a plastic cap on for about 10 to 15 minutes just to really let it absorb in my hair, because I do have low porosity hair, and sometimes it's just really difficult for products to absorb in my hair, and I feel like this is one of them. So I'm just going to continue to spritz this over my entire head. Rub it in, detangle, and I'm also going to like do jumbo twists to kind of stretch my hair too, because my hair comes out better when it's been semi-stretched. So yeah, it's just not that moisturized. As you guys can see, the comb can get through, but I had to put a little elbow grease in there. So yeah, I'll be back once I finish spritzing my hair, spritzing my entire head, and letting it sit for about 30 minutes or so, and we'll see if anything changes. So yeah, since I let the activator sit, my hair does feel a lot better. So now I'm just going to go in and apply the gel to see if it's going to make my curls pop. So this is how my hair is looking once I applied the gel and let it dry overnight. Hi everyone, so your girl has obviously been sleeping on these old school products. So let me just zoom in and show you guys the definition that I am getting taking down these twists. The camera isn't doing my hair any justice, I hate that, but I got a lot of definition. It has a very faint smell to it. It doesn't really smell at all, and my hair feels so soft, so moisturized, and it's also very, very shiny too. The gel, I didn't think the gel was going to do anything to my hair because it's lightweight, but it gave my hair really, really good definition. The only thing I don't like about it is that it's not really going to hold. It doesn't really have a strong hold to it, so it's not really going to last like I want it to. If you guys are subscribed to my channel, you already know I like to use the tension method on low heat just to give my hair more length and body. And so yeah, I'm gonna do all of that off camera. But so far I am loving the way my hair is coming out. So I will be back, you guys. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. Now I will say, unfortunately, since that gel doesn't have a lot of hold, like I told you guys earlier, I did end up kind of making my hair a little bit more frizzier than I would have liked it to be. But it's okay, I like frizz. Frizz makes volume, volume means big hair, and I love big hair. So it's cool. I still have definition, but it's just not as defined as it was before I blew it out. I like it. I do. I like the way it came out. I just don't like that the gel doesn't have as much hold as I needed to have, being that I have type 4 hair. Type 4 hair, as we all know, we need heavy products. The activator is very moisturizing. It's lightweight. It helped detangle my hair. It's a good product. It also softened my hair, but it's too lightweight. It's too lightweight, but it is a good moisturizer, and my hair is also very, very shiny. With the gel is an awesome gel. It defines your hair and everything, but it just doesn't have the hold that I need. It does not. It doesn't have the hold that I need, but all in all, I enjoyed the products. I enjoyed experimenting with them. Would I reuse I can't talk. Would I reuse the products? It's gonna have to be a no for the gel, but I would reuse the activator. I like the activator. The activator just makes my hair feel super, 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 super soft. The gel, unfortunately, I won't be reusing. I won't be repurchasing, just because it just doesn't hold up for me. Overall, I did enjoy using the products though. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until next time, y'all, bye.